Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the sound chain. Set Logic Pro X to your audio interface, pick Core Audio, and match the project sample rate to the device. Once done, lower the I/O buffer to 64 or 128 samples for minimal latency. This reduces round-trip delay. Make sure to enable your interface's direct monitoring if available. It routes input before Logic processes it. This first step cuts latency dramatically while keeping stability, because smaller buffers give faster audio processing but use more CPU. Next, you address processing-induced latency. Identify high-latency plugins such as linear phase EQs, look-ahead compressors, or convolvers and bypass, disable, or freeze those tracks while recording. Then enable Logic's low-latency mode and set the delay threshold low so Logic skips compensation during monitoring. This forces Logic to avoid waiting for delayed plugs, keeping the vocalist in time. When you need the full processing, turn off low latency and let Logic perform plug-in delay compensation for accurate playback and final mix correctness. Finally, you record with the low latency chain active and capture clean takes. Once done, unfreeze or re-enable the plugins, disable low latency mode, and let Logic reapply plug-in delay compensation so the recorded audio lines up. If you find your takes are offset, use the track delay or project delay compensation settings to nudge audio into place. These tools correct residual timing. If problems persist, test a different interface or update drivers, and increase buffer size slightly if you encounter clicks or CPU overloads. One targeted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.